The triple chain is a crochet technique that allows you to work 3 strands of yarn at once while working from a single skein. The triple chain method can be used to instantly create a bulkier weight yarn from a thinner yarn. Begin by making the yarn into an S shape. Pinch the center of the S and pick up 3 strands of yarn. Make a slip knot, wrapping all 3 strands together. Placing your finger through the loop of yarn, pick up a single strand of yarn coming from the cake or skein and pull it through the loop. Pull a length of yarn off the cake of the yarn to make a long loop. Gather 3 strands of yarn together so that the single strand winds off the cake and joins 2 strands of the new long loop. Put your crochet hook back through the slipknot loop and tighten. You'll notice that you've created 3 strands of yarn to work with. Crochet chain using all 3 strands. Continue this chaining method until you've reached the desired chains. When you reach the end of a loop, simply pull the single strand through the end of the loop to make a new long loop, and allow the single strand to join as you crochet. You can see all 3 strands of yarn ready to work. It might take a few practices to get right. I'll show you one more time. Visit crochet.com for more of your crochet needs.